A little chilly out here today. You know, I can tell it's 46 degrees. We'll work on the tiller today. The shop, I got this all messed up. I'm gonna clean this up today too. I'm moving all my tools back to the shed because the barn's electric's all messed up, and I'm just better off. And for some reason, I can keep it organized in a small shed than I can in the barn. Anyway, been working on some hat designs. This one's for tractorfanatics.com, tractor farm. Best one out there right now. It's owned and run by its members, not no corporation. So if y'all ain't on it, check it out. And this is for my the club I run, Texas Garden Tractors. We got a Facebook group, Texas Garden Tractors, on our page. If y'all ain't on that, check that out. These hats, you're gonna order some bulk hats. They're probably, I got these for a simple hats, but they're probably mostly more gonna be, there's gonna be a few baseball style caps, but it's probably mostly gonna be trucker style caps, because I like those hats better. And if people want some, I'll make some B Small Engines hat without those two logos on it, of course, above it. Right now I'm gonna pause this and I'm gonna grab the feed scoop to feed the horses and the goats. Alright, this is the old tiller. I changed the points out because it didn't have no spark. It was pretty nasty in there. Now it's just the carburetor issue. It just needs to be cleaned. I got a new diaphragm. Probably should figure out what that noise is. So I'm gonna get some tools to fix that. This one is a Montgomery Warts push mower. I'm gonna restore, but the chokes broke off inside there. And I don't know if you can tell in this video, but this is cracked right here all the way down. So I got to try to find another carburetor. I really don't want to buy a new carburetor. When I looked at the numbers, I saw that they sell a brand new carburetor, but it's $113. I really wasn't looking to spend that. This edge right here is another one of my Octafons. I actually found this with that. And this thing actually right here, I gotta get find the string, but this actually starts and runs. It runs great actually. And I was happy to get that old engine. I'll set them, when this is restoring this, I'll set them side by side the tractor show. Someone's on the way to pick this up. They already paid for it. They're coming all the way, I think, from Dallas to pick it up. And then this, I got gave to me at the auction house. It does smoke, burn a little oil, but I won't use it until the engine blows. It was free, so. And of course, the go-kart, it runs every time. But I'm gonna get some tools, and I might just wait, continue the video. Hopefully, it'll warm up just a hair more. Cause I think I'm gonna have to take that cover back off and check just inside there to make sure it ain't rubbing, anything ain't rubbing inside there and making the noise. And then take the carburetor off, clean it, drain no gas out. So, I'll be back. Alright, I'm gonna pull the belt off before I pull the blower housing off to make sure it ain't just the belt squeaking. If it's not the belt squeaking, then it's probably most likely the starter clutch is rusty down inside there, so we'll try giving it a clean. See, it's sticking anyway, so most likely that's what it is. In fact, you can hear it. It ain't gonna start right now anyway, but you can hear it in the string pulling in, so it's definitely. I'm gonna take it apart. I'm gonna use a little bit of this. I've never used this before, but I don't even know where it came from. But since it's here, I'm gonna use it. So I'm gonna spray a little back down here too, if I can free that cable up. Probably gonna have to put a new cable on, which is no big deal. Ooh, I don't know what's in this stuff, but it stinks. There, that too. Alright. I believe it's 3/8. No, it's 7/16. Those goats are sure causing some racket over there, getting into stuff. You go ahead and buy a new spark plug too. So what I'm going to do is I think I'm just going to spray it down in this hole right here on the spring. Give it a good spraying down in there. Work it a few times. Alright. Then on this, that hole's kind of blocked up. I'm gonna, since that hole's blocked up, let me see what I got in here. Oh heck. I guess I don't got anything in here to go ahead and just remove this cover. It honestly needs more of a cleaning down inside here. I wouldn't be surprised if I have to pull the head and do a servicing on it. Alright, I'm just gonna go get a pick or something out of my toolbox and just poke that. Alright. If this don't work, I might have to eventually just get another starter clutch. They ain't that expensive. I'm just gonna put a little bit, spray that down in there. Maybe just a little more. God, that stuff smells awful. Alright. Hopefully that'll fix it, at least for a temporary fix on that. What that stuff smells like is acetone. Which is probably what it is. They sure are making some ruckus over there today. I like to use my cordless dropping there. I like using my cordless impact, but when it comes to older stuff, I'd rather just use hand tools because less room for error. There's a time for impacts and there's a time for even air tools, but this ain't one of them. Try to. That seems a little better. One of these fab horsepower is probably one of the first engines I've ever worked on. It was on a go-kart. Had a stuck intake valve. Couldn't afford a head gasket at the time, so I had a bottle of RTV my uncle gave me. I put on there. Safe to say it didn't run for too long like that, but it did run. The recoil was broke. And had to wrap the rope around, wrapped the rope around the flywheel and started it. I got a lot of rope burns that summer. You know what? I'm not going to worry about that squeaking out. Put it down for now. At least it turns over, and that's all I'm worried about. So, it turns over and got spark right now. I just got to get it out going, so do some work for the garden. I gotta grab some wrenches, a wrench and a big screwdriver for taking this out. These are great engines. The only thing I hate about them is the placement of the bolts. There's really not much room in there. But I'm gonna stop the video right here for a second and go get my toolbox keys and get some wrenches. Alright. Got my wrench set. Now, what you didn't see is off video I took off the throttle cable and the linkage. So now all I gotta do is these two bolts up here, and then there's a bolt down at the bottom. And it should be good. Ready to go away. It makes it difficult that this engine is on the tiller. Which I could have took it off the tiller, but that would have been even more extra work, so. In there. Alright, I ran out of space on my SD card on my GoPro, so I decided to go ahead and shoot the last of this video on my cell phone. It's not going to be a great video quality because my phone sucks, but anyway, it's pretty neat. That's pretty dirty. Needs a good cleaning. Oh, I won't lose that. I already have a new diaphragm, but I'm gonna call local and see if I can find anybody that has the intake gasket, because that intake gasket's shot. If not, I gotta wait a couple days, and then that'll all be in another video. But I'm gonna stop it now. I'm gonna stop this video now. If you like this video, press the like button and please subscribe. Thank you for watching.